Alright guys, 7:35 Monday evening. We are going out to a call, no heat call. We could be out of gas, we could be who knows what. This is a big old brick house. I've been here before. Not really sure what to expect. The owner called and said that they didn't have any heat. He said might check the propane tanks because they got 2 tanks hooked together. So what I'll do is I'll try to get some video and try to figure it out. You know how we do it, step by step. It's a process of elimination. So I'll pick it up when we get there. Heil here, I can hear it, the exhaust blower running. One pipe system, so we're gonna open her up and see what we got. Okay, we got all kinds of rust. Drain hose is off. That's not right. What the heck? That's completely off there. That's not good at all. Better put that on. Alright. What the heck is going on here? Got an igniter. We got a silicone igniter. I smell gas. That doesn't mean nothing. Better go one step at a time here. See what we got. That's not good. Alright, I got that back together. And we're going to turn her on and see what happens. Sure no water's in that collector box. Pretty dry. Got glow. Gas valve. There it is. I don't know. Maybe putting all that back together had something to do with it. Sure, pretty rusty in there. Well, that was easy, I guess. I'm trying to get the filter out. It's got one of them carbon filters in it. Probably in bad shape. There you go. Real world scenarios. What's wrong with this thing? Let's see if it's... We'll restart. I pulled the hose off the vacuum switch to kill it. There it goes again. So. Basically destroyed that filter getting it out of it. Yeah. That could be some of the problem. No airflow. 20 by 25. Well, I changed the filter, took an old one out, put a new one in, something a little bit more airflow. As you can see, it's got a 20 by 20 filter, and it's 20 and 25 inches tall. Of course, the furnace only stops here, so you're actually only getting 20 by 20 on a furnace that is rated at probably at least 100,000 BTUs or more. Interesting. Well, I'm assuming that's the only thing that was wrong with it. So that vent was not hooked up. I didn't see that. Really can't find anything else wrong with it other than the filter being plugged. Clean the flame sensor. I don't know. It's running. So that's it on this one, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.